Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? I got something new on the motorcycle. I got the navigation installed. Um, I think I'm going to like it. Don't have to worry about the phone going dead, phone getting hot, phone. Um, you can program it through your phone and then send the route to the motorcycle. But it should be good. We'll see how accurate it is. But other than that, how was Daytona? Everybody that went. I stayed up in St. Augustine, just me time. The weather Thursday when I was going to ride down was cold in the morning, windy as windy could be, and I just drove my car that I have until my truck's finished. But I'll tell you what, I'm a seafood eater, and weather was looking halfway nice. So I just decided when I got back, take a trip down to Buford. It's a little windy, but Lord, it's warm. And I'm just out enjoying it. But I would like this navigation. I just we'll see on some trips I've got planned coming up. But I had a motel room right on A1A, and a lot of bikes went by. Everyone that went by, I wish I had mine. But you make do with what you got. And just getting out and riding is as good as it gets. We'll come back later.
Recording.
All right, people. All I can say is, ridden 214 miles for a hamburger. I'm thinking it better have been a pretty good hamburger, but that's not why I do it. I don't want jaws here to get rusty, moss growing underneath its wheels or anything. But it was worth it. A nice day, no traffic. So until next time, everybody, have fun, live well.